What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm very excited to share with you another redemption replacement from Panini. If you remember last time, we got a banger replacement from Panini. We replaced 3 redemptions for 1, but this time we got a gold redemption replaced by another gold redemption. Very excited to share with you guys. Backstory with this one. This is a Charles Barkley ticket redemption from Contenders. It took me multiple cycles before I got the replacement, but it was worth the wait. We got a really good replacement. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one. Put a blocker inside. So this is a Charles Barkley gold veteran ticket replaced by from a vet ticket gold of Charles Barkley to a gold Origins. There you go. Bang. Tyrese Haliburton Gold ink. 5 out of 10. Whew. So from a Charles Barkley gold ticket to a Haliburton gold ink Origins. Bang. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so we can create more videos like this. Peace out. Bye. If you're still watching this video, thank you so much. We're gonna be doing a quick giveaway for this vlog. So we're gonna be giving away 1 base Crusade draft picks for of Halley, base hoops, a National Pride NBA debut, a hoops blue flood, and a rookie remembrance. To join the giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below who do you think will win the NBA Finals this year. 1 lucky winner will be chosen via YouTube comment picker, and we'll be announcing that on the next video. Thank you very much. Good night.